Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in another community that's part of the diamond collection for the Lennar. This one is Centris. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this model. It's called Ruby. Okay, so this house has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It's a 4,152 square feet. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look and see what it has to offer. So come on, let's go. The first thing you see when you walk in, you have this nice entryway, and then it goes right here into the great room. You have a nice sofa in the middle. Pretty comfy. This is good for family gatherings. You just want to talk. The next step is going to be the dining area. Again with the wood top. This one seats 6. And you got the little mini bar. I love the paintings, the gold and silver. It's beautiful. Next, we're gonna go into a little gaming area. This right here in this room, we have a ping pong table. I don't think it works. No, it doesn't work. But you can fit, like I said, you can fit probably a pool table in here if you're not a ping pong person or something else. But it's just a beautiful space for a little game area. Or if you're a gamer, you can have this space, have your computers or whatever you want. All up to you. Right in here is going to be an office. So nice space. This could also be a bedroom because it has a closet. But it's just a nice little office setup right now. Got your storage space, your bookshelf. You can keep your books. And right over here is going to be the closet. Like I said, it could be a bedroom as well. So you have a nice little closet. 2 doors. And then on the other side is the bathroom. So if it's an office, you don't have to go anywhere. You have your bathroom right here. Now let's head into the kitchen. The first thing you see is a little breakfast nook right here in the kitchen. You can fit 4 people around this table. This is the nice breakfast area. And then you have the full kitchen, like a nice little island. I love the colors, the black and wood. It's beautiful. It's just like it's a pretty good sized kitchen. It's pretty cozy. You got your cookbook. Next to the kitchen, you have a little area for you guys to sit. Living space. And right in front of me, you can have a big screen TV. You can have 75-inch, 85-inch, whatever you guys want to do. So this is the living space. And then right next to the kitchen, you got the bar stools, extra seating. So that's pretty much the kitchen. So let's go ahead and head upstairs. But before we do, let's check out the pantry. It's right here. It's not the biggest pantry, but it's pretty good. Got a whole bunch of snacks. And let's head upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. And you can just right upstairs, we have a foyer right in the middle, and to my right, we have a bedroom. It could be for a boy. It's a really good sized room. We got the ocean theme going. Right here is the bathroom. And next to it is the walk-in closet. Nice, decent size for a little kid. Walking around, we have a patio right here, right in the front to see your neighbors. It's kind of noisy, but still. All right, so next is not bedroom. Could be for a little kid or for guests. This one got the Miami Beach theme going, pink and white. And just like the other room, this one also has a bathroom and a closet. However, this one's a little bit different because it shares a bathroom with this room right here. It's a big, pretty good sized bathroom, but it does share with this bedroom, which also has its own closet. This could be also a guest room if you don't want to put your kids, or you can put 2 kids in both rooms so they can share a bathroom and have the guest on the other room. But yeah, that's this room, and let's move on to the master or the primary bedroom. And this is the entrance to the master. You got your 2 doors open, and then the little foyer room could be a little reading nook. This nice comfy chair. And then you got a little desk area, a little work area, and then this is the main bedroom. Again, you got a couple of seatings. Let me test this chair out because it's comfy. I love the colors in this room. Looks like it's mostly just gold and white, but it's beautiful. Yeah, and you can have a little bar area right here for those of you who love drinking, having a little cocktail before bed. There we go, right there. And let's move on to this bathroom. We've got path to see this bathroom. This bathroom is gorgeous. Right before we head towards, we have 2 different closets, his and hers. First one, pretty good size. This one looks slightly bigger than the other. Yes. Now let's head into the bathroom. We got the toilet separate right here, and then you walk around, and then there's 2 sinks. Beautiful. And then you got a walk-in shower. Let's try it out. I'm pretty sure you can fit at least 3 people in here if you want to. But let's keep it at 2 people. Yeah, and then you got the 2 sinks, and you got the tub. Like, I'm not gonna go in the tub. Try not to put my shoe in there. But it's a beautiful bathroom. It's pretty big. And that's it for the master. Alright, so that's it for this house, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, just go ahead and like the video and leave a comment and let me know how you feel about this house. If you do have any questions about the homes in the Miami area, I'll leave my contact information in the description. Again, thank you for watching, and you have a blessed day.